Harley Davidson has once again turned heads in the adventure touring segment with the arrival of the highly anticipated Harley Davidson Pan America Limited 2026. Building on the success of its Pan America platform, the 2026 Limited version brings a sharper premium focus, blending long-distance comfort, rugged capability, and unmistakable American character into one striking package. Visually, the Pan America Limited 2026 retains the bold stance that made the model instantly recognizable, but now receives more refined detailing and upscale finishes. Revised body panels, exclusive paint options, and premium trim pieces help elevate its road presence, while subtle aerodynamic tweaks are expected to improve wind protection for serious touring riders. At the heart of the machine is Harley Davidson's proven V-twin performance philosophy, delivering strong mid-range torque and effortless highway cruising ability. Riders can expect smooth throttle response, confident overtaking power, and enough punch to tackle steep mountain roads or fully loaded touring duties without hesitation. Where the Limited badge truly matters is in its equipment list. Semi-active suspension technology, multiple ride modes, advanced traction systems, cornering rider aids, and adaptive ride height functions are likely to headline the package. These additions place the bike firmly among the most sophisticated contenders in the premium adventure class. Comfort has also been pushed higher on the priority list. Heated seats, upgraded touring ergonomics, a larger touring screen, integrated luggage solutions, and a modern TFT interface are all expected to feature prominently. For riders covering serious distances, these details can make the difference between a good trip and a great one. Harley Davidson's move into adventure touring was once considered unconventional, yet the Pan America range has proven the brand can compete beyond the cruiser market. With the 2026 limited edition, the company appears ready to strengthen that position by targeting riders who demand premium specification without sacrificing personality. The Harley Davidson Pan America Limited 2026 could become one of the most intriguing launches of the year. If final production specifications match expectations, Harley Davidson may have created a machine capable of challenging Europe and Japan's established giants, while offering something distinctly different in character and style.